There is something very unique and very special happening in Sanur today. Check this out, this huge tower. This is the cremation of the royal family in Sanur, the Santrian group. Check this out, this tower. It's big traffic. And then over here will be the cow. Wow, this is so beautiful, isn't it? Something very unique, something very different. Bet you never saw like this before, or at least you don't see this every day. Meanwhile, so many also people, and yeah, that's how it looks like. Something very unique. I'm gonna come closer to show you how does it look like. It's really beautiful. Look at the details. And this is the cow. Look how big is this. One more shot with the wide lens just to see the real situation. How does it feel here today? Also, there is the place and the full entire road is closed. So many police, so many everything. This is the KFC in Sanur and Dunkin' Donuts, and the full entire road is simply closed. That's a really powerful thing today in Sanur. Yo, what's up, lovely people? I'm in Sanur today, starting from the Segara area, north Sanur, and I'm gonna show you around how it looks like. I'm gonna cover full entire beachfront area. It's beautiful, calm day. However, it's very cloudy. It's going to be rainy soon. I hope so. I'm gonna make this vlog before I'm gonna get wet. But there's still so many people around, and the people enjoying the vibes today. So stay tuned. All right, starting today's vlog from the Segara area, as I said, and it's quite busy, I could say. Some life, definitely, and that's how it looks like. This coffee even open, which is not so bad. This place is already almost finished. The construction, as you can see, it's gonna be beautiful roof, stuff like this. Thank you. Okay. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Yo, what's up, doggo? You have to drive, avoid and record the doggos. That's the most important thing. Meanwhile, situation on the beach. Very low tide. Yes, thank you. There at the front is famous restaurant. It's called Soul on the Beach. Also very interesting place. Many expats like this place. Not paid endorsement, but I will show you. Also, you have to scan the code. And all right, one surprise today at the front is the some ceremony on the beach today. So check this out. This is very, very, very interesting. Very nice indeed. As you saw, ceremony. Not gonna distract them anymore, and that's the religious thing. At the front, they are Kejora villas. They are, I think, 21 villas, 2 at the beach front. However, they still wall like this, but the beach is over here. And after that, they are villas for rent, just behind this wall. I think it's 9 and 10, or 9 on the left, 10 on the right, or something like that. And here is the sand, beach, bar, restaurant. Also, the situation looks like that. There are even some customers inside, so definitely much busier. Anyway, here is another surprise. There is some big construction here on the beach, literally on the beach, and I think this belongs to the Seven Las and the new shopping mall and the new villas. What's gonna be what you saw many times on the from the main street, but they have some construction on the beach already today. So that's kinda looks serious thing. And here's construction. I hope so. I'm gonna pass this one without falling. Anyway, inside looks like this. Whoa. Woo. Sorry for shakiness. Road condition. However, construction very, very serious. as you can see. Serious thing, guys. We will see what's gonna be here in the future, in the very near future. At the front, another famous place. Used to called Artotter Beach Club. Unfortunately, still closed and nothing has changed. I can show you a little bit around. There is the water in the pool. That's the good surprise. However, after that, nothing has changed here. Heading now into the areas of the few nice hotels. And first one here is the hotel called Tanjung Sari, one of the oldest in Sanur, very legendary place. Also, indeed, we had a coffee here a few weeks ago. If you would like to see more, I highly recommend it to watching my old videos. Tanjung Sari, and here we go. This is the Saki Hotel. The Saki Hotel still remains open actually, but it's very quiet. But it's open. So if you miss the hotel, it's open. What I can say, empty but open. And here, Hotel Gria Santrian, which is actually closed, still closed. But very interesting fact and thing is, as this hotel is on the list of the hotels for quarantine for these 4 countries, what I mentioned last time, when people can come to Bali and quarantine. However, unfortunately, still closed. Security over there still chilling and watching Gria Santrian Hotel for the safety, obviously, but everything is still closed. Villa Shanti, which belongs actually to the Gria Santrian ownership, I think, also not really has changed here. It's totally closed here. Really don't remember what was the name of the hotel here next to this island, let's say. However, it's closed by the fence. This is the Lagava Hotel from the beach side. I hope so, I'm not mistaken. However, I could be mistaken. Anyway, the life looks like this. Ooh, definitely some people around. Here is the piece of quiet, empty beach. Well, obviously beach side is empty. On the other side, they are huge, very big villas, private villas in Sanur. So you can see like this with the very huge land. Big villas like this one, as you see, it's really big, and basically private access to the beach. But beaches in Bali are public anyway, so I have rights and you have rights to, I don't know, play on the beach here, sunbath. Even on the right is the villa. That's the rules in Bali. And just after area of the private villas is the Maya Sanur, and also beach, which is public, obviously public beach, and is quite famous through the local community. As you see, always there are people here having some lumpia and other small wee food here, sitting enjoying. And yeah, at the front is obviously Maya Sanur. Maya Sanur also have some renovations. I'm not sure what they're doing, but the Maya Sanur for everyone who missing this place. Alright guys, and at the front, Andas Hotel, probably one of the most expensive hotels in Sanur so far, and probably one of the most luxurious hotels in Sanur at the same time. And there are some local domestic tourists inside, which is actually for some people maybe surprised, but many people, especially from Surabaya and Jakarta, they are very they have money, obviously, so that these tourists also support the expensive and good hotels like this one. Every support for the local economy. Obviously, in Bali you can find the big hotels, expensive hotels, luxurious hotels, and the guest houses. And local people, the same like foreigners, like to stay in everyone. It's not like as only somebody comment last time, as many Indonesian local Balinese and Indonesian in general, they have no money. Obviously many people struggle, but also many Westerners struggle in their life. It's not only as Indonesian or Asian people struggle, and at the same time a lot of local Indonesian people have a lot of money, and many local Indonesian people will beat many of the foreigner people with the, let's say, net worth wealth. So that's the reality.
everywhere is the same. Anyway, this is already the middle of the Hyatt Hotel, the gardens of the Hyatt Hotel, obviously. In my opinion, this is the most beautiful hotel in Sanur, middle price ranged, middle high, but the one of the most beautiful, with the beautiful gardens and the beautiful beach. So that's how it looks like. Hyatt, after the renovations, have a beautiful pool area, and also the beach is very, very clean, and so that's how it looks like. They have also one of the best pizza in this restaurant over here. Not paid endorsement for them, however, that's how it is. And also some people inside the hotel, obviously. There are some meetings. Many foreigners also inside this hotel, actually, in Hyatt. So that's how it looks like. And here heading to also famous place, restaurant. It's called La Playa, for the hub for the many expats, especially people who living here longer while. As you see, it's always full or almost full, mostly with the expats inside. So that's how it looks like. La Playa. Many of you also have a great memories from this place. And here was the seagrass. However, this place for some reason cannot succeed. I'm not sure why, but Coco Bistro, always happy stuff. Here they have a nice pizza, however not my favorite one in this area of Sanur in general. And here is the Omba, and I think I'm gonna grab some bintang over here right now. Alright guys, cheers. I just got my radler. I think this is one of my favorite bars, restaurants in Sanur so far. Not paid endorsement, however, you can also see me quite often here. I'm gonna have my radler. I'm already tired, to be honest, because I passed this road in both ways before I record already one way. I hope so you enjoyed. That's how it looks today. Sanur area, one of my favorites one in Bali. You can comment below what do you think. Even the weather is maybe not the best today. Cheers guys, and see you tomorrow as always. See ya, Ricker.